Hey, I am Prophet, and today I'm gonna talk about what was before the Big Bang. We know that I think there is Big Bang. Yes, there was Big Bang. But there is a problem if we want to know what was before the Big Bang, because the problem about our creation, which we talk about our creation, which are how do we birth normal way, normal like through evolution. How do we through evolution? Yes, we didn't exist and we exist. Yes, we didn't exist and we exist. When I talk about Big Bang, actually only with me, because I like to speak myself. When I talk to myself about Big Bang, firstly I wanna talk about how thermodynamics also so powerful. It is also so powerful. What we know about thermodynamics, energy can be destroyed and can be created. Yes. What it means? We have consciousness. Yes. This means also we didn't create it or destroyed by anything. We didn't die. We don't die, and we don't exist. We every time complete always exist, but in a way about the energy. Yes, this is thermodynamics say this to us, but there is a problem. What is this problem about quantum level? In that level, energy can be destroyed. I think if I correctly remember, energy I think can be destroyed or created in quantum level, or in the non or in the vacuum. At that moment simultaneously energy can be destroyed or created by in the quantum level. So weird, but still scientists can't explain that. So this doesn't mean thermodynamics only is about the macro things. In quantum level everything is different, like energy can destroy or can be destroyed or created. Even that means we exist because our consciousness find a brain to be exist. But even this doesn't prove that we exist in a consciousness way. Like every time we were like energy, has no consciousness, has not. After we birth, then we got brain, and we got the ability to act, to interact through things in the earth. And because of that thing, we really can understand everything, and we are able to get consciousness like what we are right now. Normally we are like electricity, but after we had consciousness. What it means? Actually it means, yes, energy in the macro form of thermodynamics can't be destroyed or created. But even in that case, this doesn't prove religions and always existence. This only prove that we were electricity, like electricity, nothing, and after we got something like memories, datas, and to be able to process things. Now, when we talk about before the Big Bang, we have two things. First, we have to accept thermodynamics. If we accept thermodynamics, everything is completely points that there are multiverse. There is multiverse, and there are infinitely many universes, many verses, infinitely many. And this means energy can't be destroyed or created, and energy completely is infinite, and our universe created by different energies. Example, maybe different energies crashed into each other and triggered this Big Bang. And this Big Bang also the form of those energies maybe. But I think there is also can be unique in energy, which the low level of the energy, what is like movement, actions, or the think energy. Actually there are no energies, there is only an energy. The second is a bit different. If we look at the quantum level and say thermodynamics doesn't prove really energy can't be created and destroyed, we have almost nothing about how Big Bang exists, what was before the Big Bang, because if if energy can't be destroyed and created, we don't accept that, then we have no idea what was before the Big Bang. Because if energy can't be destroyed or created, we have ideas about the Big Bang. What did I talk about? But if we don't accept that, we have almost so less thing to research. Example, think about if thermodynamics is not reality about the so macro or so low level in the quantum level, then there is something much more weird. And I think this is why scientists can't explain still what was before the Big Bang. They say that Big Bang happened. There is nothing before the Big Bang. I think they say that. I think they say that like what, there was nothing before the Big Bang. Everything happened through the Big Bang. We don't know what triggered it. And after Big Bang, universe expand inside something. No, inside nothing. It is likely expanding, but expanding through inside nothing. This is completely, I think this is illogical. Yes, maybe there is logic here, but when I heard it, I didn't accept this because I can't accept that. How something expands into nothing. This is completely illogical. Multiverse hypothesis is much more logical than that. Multiverse hypothesis say that there is infinite energy. Energy can be destroyed or created, so there is infinite energy, and there are multiverses. This is completely feels logical. But scientists say that, some of them say that literally Big Bang happened, but triggered nothing, because it is like the inevitable reality. It was inevitable reality. It happened because it was going to happen. Because this is a destiny. This is the destiny of happening. Destiny of event of creation of this universe, yes. And it expands into nothing. Like we into balloon, but blow air into balloon, but balloon expands and it creates, and balloon expands and it expands into nothing, but there is not, because there is nothing to. This is so weird. It expands into nothing, and when it expands, it creates something, but we say this is the universe, this is the part of the universe. I think this is not reality. Yes, if we look at that and say that we don't accept, this is likely, I don't remember what scientist he is, but one scientist said that Earth is circular, like, yes, likely what we accept right now, but no one believed him and killed him. This is likely that. Now, if we look at the past, what should we accept? The expanding into nothing or infinite realities? Which should be accepted by us? To be like the one who killed by the ones who didn't believe him, but they didn't believe the reality. How do we know the Earth is like the circle? Is looks The Earth looks like circle. Still, we don't still observe that. Yes, the man observed that through mathematical proof. Can we really prove that one of those hypotheses about true about this creation of universe? Yes, there is a famous phrase: absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence. Absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. We still have absence of evidence, but still it doesn't mean the evidence of absence. Yes, some scientists believe that this is completely unreal thing to think about multiverse, infinite energy thing, because they think that this is the absence of proof. So if there is absence of proof, what happens? Scientists would not try to find something about that. But I think Humans are so interested about these things, interested in this, and also I also interested about the creation of universe. Yes, religions say that universe created by the God, but the problem is when we talk about this again, we have two cases. Did the God exist in all time? Still, but it is not reality. Something can't be exist like that. This likely seems about energy can't be destroyed or can't be created. How can we prove that really thermodynamics works in all things? But we should understand that religions are completely illogical things. Religions are the tools to manipulate and control humans, and they are the form of imagination of humans, which completely formed by thinking about the universe and the creations. They should choose something and they choose this. Yes, this is the video about from the multiverse ideas to different ideas. And this is me. I am Prophet. If you do not like video, please even do not watch it because still I don't have microphone. I ordered but still it didn't come. When it came, when it come, I think when it comes, I think my videos is gonna be much more beautiful about also sound, high quality sound because this sound is disgusting. I know. If you also like, you can click the like button and leave a comment about your perception and maybe subscribe to the channel to support. And again, I am the Prophet.